Okay, let's move into the next question. So now you have given a circle and two triangles inside that one. First, we have to note down the details we know. What we know. AO is equals to OB, that is the radius of the circle. Right? Then, if you consider the theorem we learned, what is the theorem? This one. I'm showing you again because I'm using two separate videos for this one. The angle subtended by an arc at the center of the circle is double the size of the angle subtended by the same arc at any point on the circumference of the circle. This is the theorem. This is the very basic idea we discussed in the previous video. Okay, so based on that, if this is alpha, this should be 2 alpha, right? Based on that theorem. Okay, that's what we know again. Okay, then what is the arc? Arc is AB. That arc is subtending AOB at the center and the ACB on the circumference. Okay, now there is an isosceles triangle. Do you see that? AOB triangle is an isosceles triangle. Why isosceles mean? What isosceles means? Two legs are equal. Two legs are equal. What are those two legs? AO and OB, radius of the circle. Okay. Now, these isosceles triangles. For these isosceles triangles, there's a theorem. What is the theorem? The angles in front of the isosceles triangles equal legs are equal. That means if I just take the AOB triangle here, let me write A, B and O, these two are equal, right? So this is 28 which is given. And the theorem says the in front of angles. Now, for this leg, this is the front angle. For this leg, this is the front angle. So these two should be equal. That is the theorem. Okay, that is the theorem for isosceles triangles. Okay. Opposite is also true. What is that? If we have two equal angles, the legs in front of those two are equal. Okay, now this is 2 alpha, right? Based on the image. Now we know this one is 28. Okay, that is 28. Let me make it more clear. This is 28. Okay, now asking you to find out the alpha. Let's see how to get the alpha. Now, you know sum of internal angles of a triangle is 180, right? Is 180. So, that means for AOB triangle, okay, AOB triangle, 28 degrees plus 28 degrees plus 2 alpha is equal to 180. This is the sum of the internal angles of a triangle, right? Okay, this is 56 plus 2 alpha, 180. 2 alpha, 180 minus 56, 24, should be 124. Then we'll bring it here. Alpha is 124 divided by 2, which is 62 degrees, right? Which is 62 degrees. For the triangle AOB, the angle AOB is 124.